How to create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget and sticking to it is essential for managing your finances effectively. Here are steps to help you create a budget and maintain it. 1. Set clear financial goals. Determine your short-term and long-term financial objectives. This will provide motivation and direction for your budget. 2. Calculate your income. List all sources of income, including your salary, bonuses, side gigs, or any other sources of money. 3. Track your expenses. Record all your expenses for a few months to understand where your money is going. Categorize expenses into essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, and non-essentials, entertainment, dining out, subscriptions. 4. Create categories. Divide your expenses into specific categories like housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and savings. 5. Set spending limits. Allocate a specific amount of your income to each category. Be realistic and prioritize essential categories. 6. Build an emergency fund. Include a category for an emergency fund in your budget. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. 7. Use budgeting tools. Consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your income and expenses. Many apps can sync with your bank accounts to automate this process. 8. Review and adjust regularly. Review your budget regularly, such as monthly or quarterly, to see if you are staying on track. Adjust your budget as needed based on changing circumstances. 9. Prioritize debt repayment. If you have high-interest debts, prioritize paying them off. Include debt repayment as a category in your budget. 10. Save and invest. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments. This can include retirement accounts, a rainy day fund, or investments like stocks or bonds. 11. Avoid impulse purchases. Stick to your budget by resisting the urge to make impulse purchases. If you want to buy something not in your budget, consider saving for it in a separate category. 12. Monitor progress. Regularly check your progress toward your financial goals. Celebrate milestones and stay motivated. 13. Seek accountability. Share your budgeting goals with a trusted friend or family member who can help hold you accountable. 14. Be flexible. Life is unpredictable, so be flexible with your budget. If unexpected expenses arise, adjust your budget accordingly rather than abandoning it entirely. 15. Stay disciplined. Sticking to a budget requires discipline and commitment. Remind yourself of your financial goals to stay motivated. Remember that creating a budget and sticking to it is a skill that takes time to develop. It's normal to face challenges along the way, but with persistence and regular monitoring, you can gain control over your finances and work toward your financial goals.